I kind of love when bugs become features. It's not something I really intend to do, but sometimes the bug is actually better than the original feature, and you just kind of have to roll with it, at least in video games. If I was doing rocket science, well, that'd be a whole other story. I'm working on Colornova, a color matching space shooter, and part of the game is that you have these supernova abilities. And originally, cryofreeze, an effect that freezes meteors in place, was originally supposed to be a time slowdown. Like, time would slow down, so instead of meteors hurling at you, they would actually kind of creep towards you slowly. And basically what happened was, this is my first physics-based game, and I didn't really know what the hell I was doing. So I Googled some stuff, and they said I should use linear dampening. The problem was that I applied linear dampening, but what happened next was that the meteors just kind of stopped. They never really slowed down. Well, that's not true. They started to slow down, but then they just stopped completely. It wasn't much of a crawl. And after fighting and fighting, I thought, isn't it actually better for them to be stopped? Or rather, frozen in place. You know, in hindsight, I probably could have just stopped the meteors and then applied a smaller force than I was originally applying to make them move, but that just isn't as fun. It wasn't a very good idea. So I pivoted and I completely changed the Nova ability, which is funny because ironically, I think it's now my favorite one. I also added other cool things like meteors that are already frozen, once frozen again, shatter. Thematically, it just kind of worked way better. If you're curious yourself to see how well it works, you can actually download the Colornova demo right now on Steam. And when you fall in love with the game, don't forget to wishlist the full version. If you want to see more insider game dev tricks and tips, subscribe so that you'll get notified when I make cool videos just like this one.